Morning everyone, how are you today? Now yesterday, I know I said that I was going to do bits and bobs through the day because I was in the yard, but believe it or not, that day worked out. So unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to. It was a very strange experience, I will say that much, but nonetheless it was something different, that's for sure. Today, I am off to Leeds. Off to Leeds, and should be a fun day hopefully. It's cold though. I've got the night heater on at the moment because I'm just warming the truck up because it is bloody cold. I know this might seem soft, but for some unknown reason, for years, I've always started a vehicle and let it run just for 5 minutes, you know what I mean, just to warm the thing through a bit, you know what I mean, not just go off you go. I don't do that. No, not as a rule, unless obviously if I'm like mega late and I've got to get my arse in gear, then I don't have much of a choice, but I try not to, you know what I mean. I try not to. Oh dear. I don't know. I just don't know. Like I say, yesterday was a weird one. So I've got nothing to report for you. Couldn't do any videoing around the yard because I just didn't really have anything like that to do. I suppose if it was like a more of a regular occurrence, then I might have been able to sort of like come up with an idea. But because it was like up in the air all the time, there's not really knowing what the fuck was going on. It's a bit awkward, so to say the least. And then, obviously, before I knew it, it was home time sort of thing. I was only there till 4 o'clock. And then I went home, and had something to eat. Because I was fucking hungry. I'd actually forgot to have food. I forgot to stop. I was too busy just basically wondering, like, I was in like limbo in a way. It was weird. That's all I can say about it. It's just strange. Anyway, like I say, today we're off to Leeds, so all back to normal, and hopefully, it's a day's day. I mean, the stars are out, so you know it could be a nice day today. Hopefully, we'll have something to do when we're up that way. But hey, who's to say? Who's to say? We never know until it actually happens, does we? I'm just filling out this one here because I forgot to fill my time sheeting yesterday because I didn't get a chance to do that either. Like I say, it was a weird one. In the yard. It's good enough for me. That'll do. Let's put that down. No, I don't need that one because I was in the yard. Yep, and right, today's date is the 25th. Yay! 25th of the 10th, 2016. It is now 6:25, but I turned up at about 7:15. Hey, I overslept. The alarm clock went off this morning, and well, both of them didn't. I turned the first one off because that always wakes me up early, depending, because it's like with it being one of these sleep alarms, it'll wake it up when you're actually coming out of sleep, not wake it up while you're asleep, if you understand what I mean. And I turns it off because I know that I've got my other alarm set as well, so I turns that one off and I'm lying there like that. Then that one went off, so then I turns that one off, then I'm lying there like that. And before I know it, it was 5:25. I'm thinking, shit. So yeah, I was a little bit late this morning, but hey, whatever. These things happen. It's not really that important. What have we got? I'll try to 529. CM63. Yep, put that on there. Scribble on that there. 25th, 10, 16, 529. Do that bit. This again. Yeah, that'll do. What else do we need? We need this here. I need to just write this down as well. Hey, because I was using the shunter, right, and the newish shunter that we've got is a manual CF DAF, XF DAF, sorry. I had to use this arm to change gear, right, and my fucking shoulder was wrecking as the day got on, and my little finger, because I always use when I used to drive a manual, it was always my little finger that flicked the range up. Maybe the others out there may know what I mean, but as I'm driving, you go flick with the little fingers to the range and away you go, but fuck, my little finger felt like a bust bastard thing, you know. It's like, fucking strap, I am so weak and feeble. Honestly, I couldn't believe it. I'm thinking, good grief, you've only been in it fucking 5 minutes and your shoulder's wrecking, your little finger's fucked. I'm thinking, good grief, can you imagine? I mean, obviously this morning I'm fine, like, you know, but my little finger's the one that's paying the price, I think. Yeah, but that was like, I can't believe it. Literally can't believe that a manual gearbox has wrecked me. I'm like, good grief. Oh well, anyway, I'm gonna go. And I will speak to you a lot later, so have a good morning, and don't forget to drive safe. Bye.